Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily check how much time you spend on YouTube app on your mobile device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll all the way down until you find battery. Here it is. And on that screen it shows you how much time you spend in each of these apps. You can switch the display from percentages to minutes in that simple way, just by hitting right here. And also you can switch statistics data from 24 hours to last 10 days. Let me select last 10 days, and then you can just scroll down until you find YouTube app. Here it is. As you can see, I've spent 9 minutes on YouTube app in the last 10 days. And in the same way, you can scroll down until you find any other app which you want to see the statistic for, and after that you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.